Good morning, everybody. I'm down here in Portland, Oregon this morning. Right now, Daryl Thorne is having a court hearing over here behind me at the federal courthouse, and we haven't quite got an update yet, but we hope to hear soon on that. Maybe before I'm off this live stream. I arrived here this morning again. Give you an update. I'm on my way to John Day tomorrow to support Jeanette Finicum, and so I showed up down here in Portland to try to give everybody an update here. What's going on? Hi, Mary. How you doing? I see my friend Bill is watching too from Montana. Hi, Liz. Hi, Larry. Hi, Monica. We're going to try to give you guys an update today. See, my cousin Matthew Deathridge is watching too. How you doing, brother? Good to see you here. I stopped and grabbed a paper today, an Oregonian. We made the page 3 times in here today this morning's paper. We've got an article in here for Jeanette Finicum, and we've got a couple other updates on the court trial that we had yesterday for Dwayne Emmer and the other guys. I keep reading all this stuff, and they twist the truth. I'm sitting in court myself. We have other court observers that are watching this stuff, and these people keep telling lies. One of the biggest lies they said in here is that the prosecution wanted a jury trial for these guys, and that they were disappointed in the judge's decision. That's a blatant lie. The prosecution I was in court, sitting there when the prosecution was asking the judge not to give these guys a jury trial. And the same news media was sitting right in front of me. How can they tell these lies? These things are fake news. Some people say I'm biased. I'm biased for the truth. All we want to know is what the truth is. We don't want things in secret courts. We want things out in the open. We want the truth to come out here. Nothing we have done has been hidden. Ammon Bundy, Jason Patrick, all these guys have did everything in the open. And that's all they want, is a fair trial with the truth. So that's my complaint with the Oregonian. They're telling lies. I wish Maxine Bernstein, I wish she would tell the truth. They twist it to sell this stuff to people, and that's why the public isn't getting it. They don't know what's going on. So anyway, that's my part on that. Like I said, we'll be over in John Day tomorrow. We'll have a lot of updates over there. A lot of people are coming to support Jeanette Finicum. It's going to be a sad day, but a joyful day, a reunion to be over there, and I'm looking forward to being a part of it. Trying to think of some other updates I had here for you too. I don't have anything on Daryl Thorne yet. Right now, Daryl Thorne his court hearing still going on over here. They haven't closed court yet, so we really don't know what's happening. We know that he has a motion filed claiming that the federal lands that it is not federal lands. Jurisdiction is what he was fighting today. So we're hoping something comes of that. His attorney's fighting hard to prove that there is no jurisdiction, that it's actually state. It's not federal lands. I wanted to read something out of the Constitution here too, and I know a lot of us have brought this up. This is what the judge here, Judge Brown, has totally ignored, and she says that in the newspaper, she tells the Oregonian that it's a matter of Congress, the reason why they don't have a right to a jury. In the Constitution, Congress doesn't have a right to change it. And Article 3, Section, let's see here, it's Article 3, Section 3. It says here, in the Clause 3, says the trial of all crimes This is all crimes. It doesn't matter what they are. It says the trial of all crimes except in the case of impeachment. So if a judge is impeached, this is what I understand by what other attorneys are telling me, in case of impeachment, and the trial of all crimes shall be by jury. It doesn't matter what it is. It says right here that they shall have the right to a jury, and they shall be held in the state where these crimes have been committed. So we know that these so-called crimes happened in Oregon. The federal government, the way I'm understanding it, is claiming it didn't happen in Oregon. It happened on federal property, which is in Oregon. That's where they're wrong. This refuge is in Burns, Oregon. And so that, to me, proves that they're claiming this didn't happen in the state of Oregon. It happened under federal jurisdiction. And that's what we're trying to still prove here in court. I know the lawyers are trying to have this reheard. There were motions filed to this, and the judge overruled it, and still has not given these guys here in the next trial a right to a jury. It totally against the Constitution, and it's totally wrong. So tomorrow again, I'm going to be over there, and with a whole bunch of us, we're showing up over there to support Jeanette Finicum at John Day, and look forward to seeing everybody who's coming, and anybody who's not, we'll try to have some live streams and update you what's going on over there and all the meetings we're having, and it's going to be a couple big long days here ahead of us. But thanks for all your support out there. That's about all I can give you for an update today. What I find out tomorrow on Daryl Thorne later on today, I'll try to update you tomorrow. But thanks again, everybody, and God bless.